Welcome to Sham Chemistry Online Learning, a new path to learning chemistry. In this video, we are going to discuss about geometrical line, optical isomerism. Let us discuss one by one. Geometrical line, optical isomerism, both are belongs to stereoisomerism. Geometrical and optical isomers are stereoisomers. First, we want to discuss about geometrical isomerism. Okay, let us start. Geometrical isomers that are stereoisomers. Okay, as we knew that stereoisomers are differ in arrangement of atoms in three-dimensional space. Here also in geometrical isomerism, these geometrical stereoisomers that differ in the arrangement of atoms or groups with respect to with respect to a double bond or a ring structure are known as geometrical isomers. All right, geometrical isomers. Phenomena is known as geometrical isomerism. Okay, in this case also, the arrangement of groups are differ in three-dimensional place, but with respect to the double bond or a ring structure. Okay, second point, this isomerism arises due to restricted double bond restricted C double bond C double bond C bond rotation. If it is C single bond C, there may be possibility to rotation of CC single bond. And with respect to C double bond C, there is a restriction to rotate CC bond. Same as in ring compounds also, CC sigma bond CC sigma bond CC sigma bond rotation restricted restricted in a ring also. Therefore, these compounds, those compounds are having double bonds or ring structure can exhibit geometrical isomerism. One more important point here, to exhibit this isomerism, those compounds do not have equal groups or equal atoms either carbon of the double bond. Okay, it is important point. Third point, two groups at either carbon of the double bond should not be equal. Okay, that is very important. Two groups at either carbons at either carbon one more point is important here, that is two groups at either carbon of double bond should not be equal. Okay, so when this condition applies, then those compounds exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, let us discuss by taking examples. 2 pentene Example, take 2-pentene. 2-pentene means CH3, CH2, CH, double bond, CH, CH3. Okay, here it is a double bond. Okay, write structure for this compound. C double bond C, write double bond first. Okay, arrange all other groups at each carbon. It is first carbon, it is first carbon, it is second carbon, third carbon. 4, 5. Okay, at second carbon, one CH3 group, other hydrogen. At third carbon, one hydrogen group, other group is ethyl group, CH2, CH3 group. Okay, what is third? Two groups at either carbons of the double bond should not be equal. These two are not equal. Okay, if these two are equal, compound does not exhibit geometrical isomerism. So, second structure possible with same molecular formula, same compound, CH3H, CH2, CH3, ethyl group, then okay. So in these two cases, okay, similar groups, hydrogen and hydrogen, same side to the plane of the double bond. If two similar groups of either carbons at same side to the plane, then it is called cis isomer. Now it is cis 2 pentene or cis pent2ene. Okay, pentene. Now here look at this, two similar groups opposite to the plane or double bond. If two groups are opposite to each other, then it is called trans. Trans 2 pentene. Okay, trans 2 pentene. Okay, after writing the structures, look at similar groups. If two similar groups at either carbons, same side of the C double bond C, then it is called cis isomer. If similar groups are in opposite direction to the double bond, then it is called trans isomer. Therefore, geometrical isomerism, also known as cis trans isomerism. Okay. Well, let us take other example. Two butene. Two butene. CH3, CH double bond, CH, CH3. Two butene. Okay, take double bond carbon first. Right. either carbon groups or atoms, here nitrogen and CH3. Same at third carbon, hydrogen and CH3. Write another structure, HCH3, CH3 and H, right? Similar groups are same side, therefore it is cis 2 butene or latest cis but 2 ene. Okay, then methyl groups are opposite side, hydrogens are opposite side. Similar groups are present in opposite side to the double bond. Then it is said trans. Trans but 2 ene. Okay, that's all. Okay. By this way, we can give cis and trans configuration to geometrical isomers. Let us discuss about cyclic compounds or ring compounds. Cyclopropane with substituted CH3, CH3 here H. Okay. Then same compound with arrangement of atoms or groups different, CH3. Okay. Now 1 2 dimethyl. Similar groups are same side to the ring. Therefore, it is cis 1 2 dimethyl cyclopentane. Cyclopentane. Here hydrogens are methyl groups are opposite. Therefore, it is trans 1 2 dimethyl cyclopentane. Okay. So, look at double bond and cyclic sigma bond. Similar groups are in same side, are located at same side, that is cis. Opposite side, that is trans. Simple. Okay. Take any compound and write the cis and trans configuration. Let us take other example. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Here it is CH3H, CH3H. 1 2 3. Okay. Next compound CH3H, but at third carbon CH3, right? First carbon, second, and it is third carbon. Methyl groups are same side to the ring. Hydrogens also same side to the plane. Therefore, it is cis 1,3 dimethyl cyclobutane. It is trans. Methyl groups are opposite direction. Trans 1,3 dimethyl cyclobutane. Okay. So, cyclic compounds, alicyclic compounds and alkenes exhibit this type of isomerism. Okay. Suppose if cis trans nomenclature is not possible to geometrical isomers, then other nomenclature is used to give configuration to those compounds. That is EZ nomenclature. When all the groups are different at either carbons of double bond or at ring, we cannot give cis and trans configuration to that geometrical isomers. Then other configuration is given to the those geometrical isomers. Here E means in German word, it is a German word. E means entgegen. Entgegen means opposite side. Z means in German word zusammen. Zusammen means together, same side, together. Okay. Okay, let us take an example and discuss what is EZ nomenclature. Okay. By taking an example. Suppose, look at this molecule CH3 HCl Br. For this molecule, we cannot give cis and trans isomerism. Cis and trans notation. Why? Because there are no similar groups at either carbons. Okay, all are different. Such type of molecules we cannot give cis trans nomenclature. For this type of molecules, we can give EZ nomenclature. To assign EZ nomenclature to this compound, first we have to give priorities to the groups which are present at either carbon according to CIP rules. Okay, let us at this carbon, first you give priority to these groups. Carbon and hydrogen, carbon atomic number is 6, hydrogen 1, then methyl group gets first priority, hydrogen gets second priority. Give priority between these two, bromine is highest atomic number, then the chlorine, then bromine gets the first priority, chlorine gets second priority. Okay. If same priority groups are at the same side, then the molecule named as Z means same priority groups together, same side. Okay, a priority, first priority groups are same side to the double bond, and second priority also same side. Okay, similar priority groups are same side or together, then it is named as Z. Okay, Z, it is first carbon, it is second carbon. Z, 1 bromo, 1 chloro, 1 bromo, 1 chloro, right? 1, 2, 3 carbons. 3 carbon means propene. Z, 1 bromo, 1 chloro, propene. Okay. Suppose write E configuration. Just you change arrangement of the group or different. HCl here Br. Same give priority. First priority it is second priority. Now it is first priority, second priority. Okay, same priority groups are opposite direction. When it same priority groups are opposite side with respect to double bond, then it is named E. Now it is E 1 bromo 1 chloro pentane, sorry, propane. 1, 2, 3 carbons, propane, right? So what we should do, first write the structure, identify the groups with respect to double bond and cyclic compound or cyclic compound, give priority according to CIP rules, groups present at either carbons with respect to double bond. If same priority groups lies in same side, then compound named as Z. If same priority groups are opposite in direction, then the name is given E. Okay, let us take one more example. C double bond C, Cl H Br I. Okay. Give priority first. First priority, second priority. Iodine gets first priority. Bromine gets second priority. Why? Iodine has the highest atomic number than the bromine. Now, same priority group, same side. Therefore, it is just Z compound. It is Z compound. Okay. If they are opposite, then you will give E configuration. Okay. Let us take one more example. C double bond C, HCl, BRF. Okay. First priority, it is second priority. In between these two, first priority goes to bromine, second priority to fluorine. Okay. First priority groups, second priority groups are in opposite direction, then it is E. Okay. After adding prefix E, then you write name of this compound. What is that? 1 E, 1 bromo, E, 1 bromo, alphabetical order, 1 fluoro, it is over, it is first carbon, it is second carbon. Then 2 chloro, at second carbon chlorine group. 2 chloro, only 2 carbons means ethane. Ethane, ene, double bond. 2 chloroethene. Okay, same here also you can give. It is first carbon, it is second carbon. Z1 bromo, 1 iodo, 1 iodo, 2 chloro, ethene, ene, double bond, ene, double bond, 2 chloroethene. Okay. So, we can also give EZ configuration to long chain, right? 1, 2, third carbon, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Between 3, 4, there is a double bond, here bromine. Okay. Then 5, 6, 1 double bond. Now, at C double, look at double bond carbons. Now here it is a hydrogen, here it is a carbon. Carbon, this group goes first priority, here hydrogen gets second priority, right? I am writing here hydrogen, it gets second priority. where its carbon gets first priority. In this case, okay, bromine gets first priority, this gets second priority. Okay, now look at 1, 2, 3, third carbon. Both priority groups are same side. Therefore, now it is Z configuration at 3. Okay. Coming to fifth carbon. Now here it is a hydrogen. It is a carbon. Now here it is a hydrogen. Then this is a carbon. Now this double bond having here one carbon, hydrogen, here one carbon and hydrogen, right? So now it will get first priority, it will get second priority, it first priority, hydrogen gets second priority. Now same priority groups are in opposite side, therefore at fifth carbon configuration is E. Okay, it's over. 3Z 5E configuration. What is the compound now? 1, 2, 3. At third carbon bromine substitution. Therefore, it is 3 bromo 3Z 5E. Total 8 carbons. Octa. 2 double bonds diene. Okay.